So the nursery isn't finished yet, but the painter just finished painting the walls. I'm mad hype. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Don't prejudge yet, because it's really like when you look at it, you're gonna be like, I don't really see the vision. Some of you guys might, completely fine if you don't. You'll see it when it's finished. Yeah, let me go upstairs and stop yapping and show you guys what it looks like. I'm so excited. Ah! Are you ready? All right, let's go see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like so far. This color is brand new. It's like a teal Tiffany blue. Even though it's a baby girl, you'll see everything is gonna come together. I didn't want it to be just a typical, you know, either pink room, which there's nothing wrong with that because I was gonna do that originally, but I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. I wanted to do, did you do a bunny rabbit? I didn't do the bunny rabbit yet.
Are we doing one on her wall? Because I know you said you wanted to do, are we just doing it?
Changing table
probably over there, right?
is that,
Yeah.
because it's attached to it.
There's a little drawer, we didn't get that little drawer.
No, yeah, we have to order it again.
Changing table.
Yeah, I don't think we'll need the little drawer. Because the changing table can go over there.
Crib is man easy to put together.
Yeah. Decorating your room, Zozo. Girl, we need to get here. Mama. This looks professional. This looks professional. Look how cute this is looking. We got him up here. We have it all down here. Gotta fix her closet. It's looking a mess up in here. I don't even know what he's doing in here. What are you doing? So I'm about to show you guys Zoe's room. It's basically finished. I mean, I still feel like there's like maybe a few things I want to add, but for the most part, it's done and I'm excited to show you guys. So even if I didn't finish it, I'm still gonna show it to you guys. Here's the big reveal. So clearly, as you can see, the theme for her room wasn't like the traditional pink. Originally, we wanted to do white, but we changed our mind. We ended up making the theme more of like a Tiffany blue right here on the wall with the stripes. It's literally like we started just building and building and then it all came together. I love this rug so much. Instead of doing a typical, well, I was gonna do the typical square rug. My husband was like, no, let's do a round one. It's more cute. And then yeah, we just added the wall decals. And then I fell in love with this picture. And then we have a little bucket for her toys and her books. Definitely have to get her more books. And then we have her changing table slash dresser drawer, which right now it's empty. There's not anything in here. I need to fill it up. And then right above it, it says her name, baby Zoe. So while she's getting changed, crying, meow, meow, she has her name right above her. Then here is the terrace right here. I mean, she's not gonna be using this, but get her natural light while, you know, I'm rocking her and breastfeeding her. While I'm breastfeeding her and rocking her, I got my television. Then we have our little trash can right here for her stinky doo-doo diapers. This trash can's pretty cool actually, because the diapers go in here. Then you push this button, it wraps the bag around, basically like secures the diapers in there so that the smell doesn't, you know, make this room smell like poop central. And then we have her closet right here with the double mirrors. Here's her little hamper, her little gray hamper. And in her closet, she has all her clothes. I'm trying to decide if I want to keep them there because it's a little annoying having them hanging up. I might just fold them and put them in her dressers. Some gifts people have gotten me, her bottles, all her shoes. And then right here we have, because obviously she's not using this right now, we have her car seats, her strollers. Yeah, just a bunch of stuff in here that's gonna be used daily. It's just right now it's not being used and I didn't want it to be out in her room. And then little baby Zoe, even though she's not gonna be using this anytime soon, she has her own bathroom. Her own bathroom with her own sink and mirror. She has her own shower. She already cool. This right here was made by Zoe's grandma, my mother-in-law. She actually crocheted this and she made it lilac and gray, just like her theme. This lamp I actually got from Target. I thought it was gonna match a little bit more, but it's okay that it's off. It's still cute. I mean, still, it basically matches more of the blue in here, I guess. But you know, you can't be perfect at everything. And then this was a gift for Zoe. It's supposed to help her, there we go, it's supposed to help her sleep, make sounds like rain noises. I mean, I'm probably gonna be using this too. It'll probably help me with my anxiety. It's supposed to help you relax. And then I just thought this star little piggy bank was super cute. And this really isn't like part of the decor. I just put it there. It was from a baby shower, Too Faced Through Me. And it says Baby Zoe, so I just put that there because it's cute and I like anything with her name on it. And yeah, that's about it. This is baby Zoe's nursery room. Nothing too crazy, cute and simple. I didn't want to go too crazy. I mean, realistically, she's a baby. It's not like she's gonna come out the womb like, my nursery is whack, I don't like it. If you have any ideas of what I should add, comment below, let me know. I'm open to anything because I feel like I could add a few more things, but I was just so excited. I wanted to show you guys how it looked right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Comment below and let me know what else you want to see involving me and baby Zoe or just baby Zoe. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video.